Welcome to Oopy Soup's Kitchen. Welcome to Oopy's Soup Kitchen. Today we are trying our hand at making some pickles. This was kind of a spur of the moment thing. We were out at a farmer's market and we saw the cucumbers and then we saw some pickling spices and thought, why not? So the first part of this process requires you to wash and drain your pickling cucumbers. And then you're gonna want to, if you're gonna leave them whole, you're gonna wanna cut like a 1/4 inch off of the bloom side of the pickle, which as I sit here and look at these cucumbers, I gotta be honest with you, I have no idea which side is the bloom side, but lucky for us, we are gonna be slicing ours. So I am not, I don't really know if I'm still supposed to cut off the bloom end, but we're not going to because I just don't even know which end that is. So what I'm gonna do is cut each of these in half. This one's got a little, you know what? I wonder if that's the bloom end. I think it probably is. All right, so I cut what I think is the bloom side, and I'm gonna then just kind of 1/4 these. They're still gonna be pretty big slices, but slices, and I don't really like that piece, so that's gonna be a short one. So I'm just gonna sit here and I'm gonna have Dad make this part really fast. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna finish slicing these up. Well, that one doesn't have an indicator of which side is the bloom side, so I'm just gonna slice it. So as it turns out, I didn't read the directions properly. And I went ahead and started throwing all of my ingredients into the container that I'm gonna be pickling the pickles in, and then realized that you have to boil this brine first. So I've got my vinegar, water, the pickling spices, and I have my garlic all in this pot. And we are going to just stir it on medium heat until it just comes to a boil. We want to dissolve all of the spices and seasonings. I also want to share that this camp stove that you see me using right now, we just acquired this today here at Drummer Boy Campground for free. Someone was giving it away. So we've got this fantastic camping stove now that we're going to be using a lot for free. Pretty cool stuff. Catch me back here in a couple minutes. All right, so we have properly cooked our stuff. Now we're gonna carefully, I'm really not sure how this is gonna go actually. Try. Okay, well, boiling hot liquid all over my leg. That's about how this day is going, so, you know. All right with it? Okay, well, as is becoming customary in my videos, this place is a mess. But the brine is in the container with the cucumbers. And we have found this fantastic Christmas cookie container that we are going to just kind of stick in here like this to hold the cucumbers down. Let's see if I can do it without making a mess. Ian says no, I cannot. I cannot do it without making a mess. Okay, so I think what's happening now is that the tin. Well, I think that's what's happening. I think it's going in right now. Guys, you know, if you would have told me when we made this harebrained, oh, that's hot.
Yeah.
I just boiled it. If you would have told me this is how this was gonna go, maybe would have said let's not do it. All right. Hang on. I don't really know if this all has to be in our video. Let's be real here. This is a disaster. This is a disaster. Success! So, there's a pickle up top. I don't know.
Hey guys, welcome back to Oopy's Soup Kitchen. It's been a few days since we had our super fun, fantastic, messy time starting these pickles. As soon as we got home from the camper, I took them out of the big container and I transplanted them into glass jars, and they have been soaking in this brine. So we are gonna do a little taste test. Take a look at that color. Super yellow and they feel crispy. Let's see if we can get the crunch. Ooh, they are super sour, which I love. Super crispy, crunchy. This worked out great. Totally recommend doing this, but read the instructions correctly.